This Google Slides AI tool can create your entire presentation in just seconds. So to access this, click on the top link in the description of this video, and it's going to take you over to this website right here, magicslides.app. So all we have to do is click install Magic Slides, and then we can install it right here. And just like that, this has now been installed. So all we need to now do is open up a new tab and go over to Google Slides. Now what we can do as soon as we are in Slides is go up to extensions here at the top, and then we can see Magic Slides app. Ignore this is just another tool that I was testing out, but this one is far better. So Magic Slides app, if we just go to extensions, we can see it right here. And then we have a few different options. Now, the main one that we will be using is generate PowerPoint. This is how we are going to generate an entire presentation. So we can click on this. And as you can see, this is now loading in. So from here, over on the right-hand side, we now have magicslides.app. And we can choose whether we want to put in a prompt, whether we want to summarize, we can go for text, or we can also go for design. Now, you will always want to start off with a prompt. It's going to be far better. And over here, it's going to ask what type of presentation do we need. So we can create like a general presentation if you want to do something for class. We then have a pitch deck, client proposal, all of these different types of presentations right here. So I'm going to go for general. And then in here, we can then enter in what the presentation is actually about. So this can be up to a character limit of 6,000, but needs to be at least 50 characters. And what I would say about this is the more information you can give it, the better the presentation is going to be. So in here, I said an educational presentation showing people how to go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, mention things like how important watch time and click-through rates are on videos, talk about the YouTube algorithm, show examples of successful YouTubers like PewDiePie and MrBeast, and explain how they became successful. Also speak about the benefits of reaching 100,000 subscribers, such as brand sponsorships, YouTube ad revenue, and the fame that you can get. Now, this right here is only 455 characters. So if I was actually creating this presentation for something other than this tutorial, just to show you how this works, then I would make this longer. We can then enter in the number of slides. So we have a limit of 10. Let's put that in. Then we also want to replace existing slides. We can also show source content, so where it got the content from. I'm going to turn this off, send email when done, and then we can also choose a language and also the presentation type. So from here, I'm then going to click generate outline, and this is going to generate, and it will take a fair few seconds to actually go ahead and do this. So it now gives us this outline where we can see the presentation title, the subtitle, then we can see slide 2, the description of what this is about. And then you can go down and change any of this. So we have understanding YouTube success. We have pros and cons. I don't really want to mention the cons here. So instead, I'm just going to change this to an image right. And then we can go down and see the slide types, descriptions once again. And if there's anything you want to change in here before this entire thing is generated by AI, you can change the title and description to make this into a completely different slide. But I'm just going to go down to the bottom here and click generate slides. Just like that, I now have my presentation that is fully here. And I would say the one downside to using this program is literally just the images that you can get. So the images will usually never line up. So just keep that in mind. But if we look through the rest of the presentation, we have watch time and CTR, and then we have a little bit of information about what watch time and CTR are. We then have some information about the YouTube algorithm, case studies of successful YouTubers, benefits of 100,000 subscribers, and so on and so forth. So as I say, the vast majority of the work has been done here, but then all we can do is just go in, delete these images, and then replace these with your own images. So hopefully you found this video valuable. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.